Peijaksentie 69 staircase D in Koivukylä, Vantaa, Finland, built in 1993. 4 versions or 325 grams, 53223. And today is the 5th of August 2019. So I expect in the next year 2020. It has 6 floors. I like the smell a lot.
Same here.
And it's also in good condition.
Yeah.
They haven't vandalized it. They didn't.
Yeah.
I think the people who are living here are pretty clean people.
Yeah.
But it's not in all the districts of Vantaa they are.
Yeah.
But here it's rather fine.
Yeah.
There was this inspection before and they put this no smoking sign.
Yeah.
Yeah, and you can take one ride.
Yeah.
Full memory. Just need to check that my phone is on silent mode because I always want it to be silent while I'm filming if somebody's texting or calling.
Yeah.
I'll do it after.
Spektiippaa, kiva inspektio. Me teeppaa yksin.
Yeah. And it could be late 1993.
Yeah.
If it was completed in 94. Turns 25 years old in last year, 2018.
Yeah.
Staircase D. Yeah. And this is staircase D. That's it.
That's it.